Hi guys, today we're going to create a simple and stylish poster design in Photoshop. First, create a duplicate copy of your background image and turn the copied layer off for now. Select the original background layer and add a hue/saturation adjustment layer. Enable colorize and choose any color you want for the design. Increase the saturation to 100 for a vibrant look. I'm using a blue tone, but you can choose any color that fits your style. Next, select the rectangle tool and create several rectangle shapes across the canvas. Arrange them in a creative layout to form the poster design. Once you're happy with the arrangement, hold the Shift key and select all the rectangle shape layers. Right-click and choose Merge Shapes. Now turn on the background copy layer. Right-click the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. This will clip the image inside the rectangle design. Next, select the shape layer and open Layer Style. Enable Stroke and use the following settings. Size 1 pixel, position inside blend mode, normal, opacity, 100% color, white press OK. Finally, select the text tool and add your title, channel name, or any text you want to include in the poster. This is a quick and easy way to create a professional-looking poster design in Photoshop.